Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to make this beautiful 3D mural parrot wall hanging. To make this wall hanging, I'm using this cardboard sheets. I'm taking 3 pieces in same size, some cardboard strips and some waste cloth. Now I'm taking plaster of Paris, Fevicol and water in the same amount, and I'm dipping the cloth. It should be in the running consistency so that we can dip the cloth easily, and we have to roll like this. Now I am sticking a strong tape on the base cardboard sheet and sticking all the 3 sheets together so that it will be very strong. Now I am using masking tape to cover the edges. Now I am going to use the same plaster of Paris mix. If you're new working with plaster of Paris, it dries quickly, so you have to work with that immediately. Here I am using the clay made up of marble powder and Fevicol. To know the exact ratio and proportion, I will show in an upcoming video. You can also use store-bought air dry clay. Here I am making a simple flower. This is a modeling tool, but we can also use needle or safety pin to make an impression on the flower. Now I made some branches, and now I am going to make some leaves also. Now I am going to make a parrot sitting on the branch. So I draw a parrot on the cardboard sheet and cut it and paste on the wall hanging. Apply glue every time to stick the clay. Varnish the wall hanging once the paint got dry so that it gives a glossy look and it protects from the fungus.